Right, so I've got that large conduit there, and I want to get that into the bottom of this electrical box, and I want to come in through this knockout. And so to remove the knockout, you start on the inside and you take out each ring till you get to the right size. And this one here, you can, if you look at it, like you can see where they've spot welded it. Like this, there's a spot weld right there. So you go to the opposite side, and because this one's on top, you want to pry that up towards the camera. And then on the next ring, you can see a spot weld right there, and there's one on this side. So we want to knock this down here or here on either side opposite the spot weld, because that's going to hold and these sides will break loose. So you're basically, the spot welds are the strong parts and you want to hit the weak parts, and the higher parts come up and the lower parts get knocked down and twisted out. So that's what we're going to do. All right, you can see where that little one was giving me such a hard time that I went and just I'll hit the second ring out because it's at the very back of the box and I have little room to work. So I just hit that with my screwdriver, knock that in down. Now I'm going to hit the other side and loosen that. Loosen them on both sides. If this is helping you out in any way, go ahead and hit the like button. We really appreciate it. And there you can see, by doing that, I'm actually loosening the third ring, which is okay because that's the ring I want to get. So by prying that out, it's bending that third outer ring. If I can get this one right here to pry up, I'm really coming at it from the side. Yeah, that's what I want. So perfect. All right, so I got a lever there, so I'm just going to pry that up a bit. There we go. Now I get my pliers in there. All right, so now I get my channel locks on here. Squeeze them together. And the spot welds will eventually, just rock it back and forth, and the spot welds will eventually give way. There we go. Perfect. That's the size I'm looking for. Hope this video helps. Be sure and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.